Guys, it's time to wash this car. We've had lots of dust, wind for a couple days, maybe even a little light drizzle. So let me pick one of these new rinseless washes that I got. Let's clean it up. I'll let you know and watch how we do. All right, guys, I found a product I'm gonna use, and if you watch any of my old videos, not that old, but you'll know this bottle. It's from Australia, and my buddy made this product for me. I've got a couple. This one has SiO2. It's a rinseless super concentrate. Super concentrate. So basically whatever I use out of here, I cut it 1-to-1 with water, and that makes the concentrate. And that concentrate that I'm going to make goes 1 ounce to 4 gallons of water for rinseless wash. That's a lot. That's super potent right here. Very expensive stuff. So let's do it. Let's figure this out real quick, because I need to wash this car and I need to try this out, cutting it 1-to-1. Now, first of all, this stuff smells really good, like lemony. I don't know. I don't want to say lemony because it's yellow. I think lemon. It's fruity though. It's good. Milky, lemony, citrus. I'm not really sure. All right, so what I've got here, I got 4 quarts and 1 extra quart. So that's 5 quarts. Let me put it. All right, guys, let's do some math here. I got 5 liters, and let's just say the concentrate. This is super concentrate. I got to break it down, but the concentrate is 1 ounce makes 15 liters of solution. Now I've got 5 liters here, right? So I got to divide basically the ounce into 3. So that's about 10 milliliters. You follow me there? 10 times 3 is 30. 30 is approximately an ounce. Now this is super concentrate. I have to cut it 1-to-1. So that means 5 milliliters of this. Here's 5. And I need 5 milliliters of water. All right, so you see it? I'm at about 5 there. It's very minute. And there's about 10. It's about halfway to the 20. So now we have 10 milliliters of product we're gonna put into 5 liters. Now I'm gonna take my empty bottle and I'm gonna put some inside. All right, so we're all ready. I've got my waterless or pre-spray made, and I've got my 5 cut down into about 4 liters of rinseless made. Now, imagine this is a 500 ml bottle. If I put another 500 mils of water, that makes 1,000 milliliters. You know how many liters that makes? That makes 504 liters. You know how many gallons that is? That's 133 gallons of rinseless wash out of this 500 milliliter bottle here. All right, let's try it out. I'm not sure. I'm the tester. Let's find out. Okay, guys, the car, and you see it? It's got dirt on it. It's white, but it is full of dirt on it. It's got stuff like this on there. It's just filthy. So let's start out. We're working in the sun right here. Let's spray the waterless or the pre-spray first. Okay, let's get our Rinseless Wash towel. It feels nice and slick on there. It's gliding nicely. And can you guys see the little dirt there? See some dirt up there? Cleans it off very nicely. I'm gonna work it a little bit further, but I'm gonna flip this over and I'm gonna do this whole hood. And I'm a big advocate of not stretching too far, but we got to test the limits of this. Lots of little pollen. All right, I'm in my drying towel here. It just glides right on this. And I'm trying to think what I put on this car before as a, I know it had Hydro 2 the last time I washed it, and something else even more recently. Could have been, I'll have to look and tell you guys. But look at, that's already done. Look at, this towel wants to slide off here. Oh my gosh, that feels fantastic. I'll tell you what, guys, this product over here that I'm using has Protect. It has SiO2 in it. And it feels dang good, guys. Wow. Super slick on that one. And that's massively diluted 1-to-1 with water, and in a rate of 1 ounce to 15 liters. All right, let's do this in the sun here. We've had a lot of streaking lately with different products on windows. Let me throw that over there. Let's get this. And I'm working with one hand. Not bad at all, guys. Not bad at all. Looking good. Let me walk it around. Let's do this side. See, you can see it dries up real fast in this heat. I'm working in real conditions, guys. Real conditions. Look at, already trying to dry. But let's dry this. Let's flip this towel over. And you gotta work real fast here, I tell you. Not bad. A little bit of residue, but I'm working with one hand. I think if you worked faster, this would be great. But that's pretty strong of a product there. Diluted down. And still got a little bit of, there you go, a little bit of resin there. Maybe needs a clean towel. This has been used a few times already for the Rinseless Wash drying. Cool. I'll tell you what, let me get another towel here just for, let me see. Yeah, it comes right off, and anything that's left looks to be on the inside. Not bad. Not bad at all. I need to get a little water here. Yeah. All right, so we know Dan doesn't mess around with the SiO2 in here. Even seriously broken down, you don't want to dry windows really slowly in the heat, all right? You want to work in cool windows, cool times of the day, and work fast, because the SiO2 in it, he is not cheap with, and it is drying on there. You can feel the slickness on the paint and the glass as you dry it and wipe it away. Okay, actually that looked really good. And I know I was didn't have the camera set up right, but I only did the window and the top half of the door, and then I came back and dried it real fast. It doesn't look hot, and it's not really that hot out here, but the heat in Vegas on the panel makes it a little bit harder to work in smaller patches. So because I dried that right away, no streaking, no residue on the window, and then I just went and dried the bottom, no problem. Feels really good. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you and show you up close. Little bit of streaking. That's how strong the product is. It's not bad though. And that was with the blue towel. So as I go over it with a clean towel, it takes the streaking off. Gotta wipe it pretty good. All right, so if you're learning about rinseless washes, a lot of times they streak. You either dilute them more. So for windows, I could even dilute this more and use it as a window spray, because right now it's a rinseless wash dilution, and use a different towel. This one dries it, but it leaves a little bit of residue. But when I come back over it with a fresh, just for windows drying towel, it does a good job and it gets the residue off there. All right, guys, so did you like the video? Today we're doing a rinseless wash, and we're actually testing a product out for somebody who doesn't, they make great chemicals. This is no exception, but they don't know that this would be something the market wants. I told them, hell yeah, if it's good, we'll love it. And it's an overbuilt super concentrate of a rinseless wash. That means, to you, that means it's gonna be more expensive for less product. Although on the flip side, you get to double the concentrate, and it spreads 1 ounce to 4 gallons, all right? So that's just huge, huge, huge. A 16-ounce bottle like this will make you 133 gallons of rinseless wash. This one has SiO2. Oh, hold on. I said this one has SiO2. This one does not. This is just a regular. So we've got 2 versions that you can choose from. Well, you can't choose yet. You might not be able to choose. I don't know. But, you know, you mix this 1-to-1 with water, and then you break it down 1 ounce to 4 gallons. I can't stress that enough. We went around the car. I made a pre-spray waterless wash out of it. I sprayed down the car. I did my rinseless wash with my towels. The stuff is slick. You know, I'm trying to think of what I put underneath this. I know it was hydro blue before, and then I put something else, and this is a very, very slick paint, and all this SiO2 rinseless did was exacerbate that slickness. You know what I'm saying? It is truly slick. Now, at the dilution I made it, which is 1 to 4, 1 ounce to 4 gallons, that is. Still a little bit of streaking on the windows. Now that's with the SiO2. I have not tried the regular, but all you had to do and if you were me, was get an extra drying towel that was clean and go over the windows, and it came off pretty easily. Now, would I still go over the windows again with the glass cleaner? I would if I was sending this out to a customer, just to make sure they're clean. But I haven't tried to dilute this even further for the glass cleaning. Now, the glass is slick due to that SiO2, and you will get very little bit of protection on there. But if you keep using this, it just keeps layering and layering, and it's good on top of any of your ceramic coatings, your waxes, your sealants, or even if you have none of that, it's still going to be a fantastic product. So the question is, would you guys buy a product like this that was super concentrated? Would this be something you're interested in? And it can come with SiO2, it can come without. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you like the video. And I'm looking at it right now, and the gloss is fantastic as well. I just finished, so I haven't had time to really pay attention here, but it looks good, and I know it feels good. It washes and cleans very well. The lubrication while you're washing is fantastic. So would you guys be willing to pay for something like that? Don't ask me the cost or the price, but would that be something you're interested in? Obviously, it would be more than the regular rinseless washes that are on the market that go 1 ounce to 2 or 3 gallons, that are all in the same category. Basically, this is something a little bit special we're working with right here, guys. So leave your comments below. Let me know if you liked the video as well, and would you be interested in something like that? Let's see if we can get it to come out, and you guys be able to try it, because this stuff's good. Thanks for watching.